going to show you how to do the Twilight Zone on a zippo. This is part 2 of the first. Shut up! Part 2 of the first video. So, you're going to take your wick. I'm going to bend it that. Nope. That way. 45-degree angle, so it looks like this. It's not sticking straight out. Right now, you like this. Anyways, it's not moving. So when you go like this, or like this, the flame will be caught in that little shaft. When you go like this and throw it in, so when the air current comes at it, the flame will just come back. Yeah, that's just about it. Sorry, this is a little bit of a short video. And just to do this, I will recommend getting a real zippo. You spend cheapy ones you're gonna get every other month. You're gonna spend, $10 on one of these. For a zippo would last you forever. And plus, you're gonna have to do a lot of work on them, like these hinges right here. They come out. They come out in the middle of a trick. They just, fly out. And another example, see this pin? It's hanging out of the side right here. A little bit of a nub. Trying to move out of the way. There it is. And my shirt right there. Right there. Those come out, so you need to take it. Just take a pen. Push it. Or just the corner of a desk. And just push it right back in. That's about it. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks for watching.